Aduna na sa ibagong lugar dinhi sa Sugbo alang sa kantong ganahan magsuri-suroy human sa trabaho. Kini ang Garden Bloc nga nahimutang tupad sa E-Block 2 ug 3 sa Cebu IT Park. Ang Garden Bloc giablihan sa publiko ni atong Disyembre 11. Usa kini ka 3-hectare property sa Cebu Holdings. Ang mga kalihukan sa Garden Bloc ubos sa pagdumala sa outdoor venue diin kasamtangang makita ang Sugbo Merkado, Holiday Haven Bazaar, Yakski Barbecue ug The Social New Bar Concept. Matod ni Katrina Martinez sa Cebu IT Park.
So, Garden Bloc is a 3-hectare development. It's really envisioned to bring something new, something refreshing, energizing to the very busy workers here in IT Park. So it's really meant to be enjoyed as a park or an outdoor space. And this event tonight just gives flavor of the potential of what activities can be here. So it's more of these casual, laid-back types of hangout types of events where people can just meet up with their friends. We're very excited because we've got new concepts here. So we have Yakski Barbecue opening up soon. We've got the Sugbo Mercado, which is a very nice lifestyle bazaar offering a lot of interesting and new food finds. We've got a lot of good finds there. And then we have the social also coming up with a pop-up store. So, that's a very hip, exciting concept that also workgoers can actually look forward to.
Ang Garden Bloc abli usab sa mga kumpanya o grupo nga nangitag dakong lugar diin pwedeng magpahigayon og outdoor activities sama sa yoga session o concerts.